Why let metal racks make your job harder? They can be difficult to move and easy to dent, but they're also hard to clean and prone to rust. That's why Cambro created the ultimate sheet pan rack. We set out to re-engineer the classic sheet rack so we could eliminate all of the obstacles that come with metal and give kitchen professionals unparalleled performance and value. The ultimate sheet pan rack can accept pans right out of a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Its unique groove design promotes airflow for rapid cooling or thawing, making it possible to withstand a wide range of environments, from walk-in coolers and freezers to proofing ovens. It's another big misconception that plastic has a lower weight-bearing capacity than metal. In fact, the full-size Ultimate Sheet Pan Rack can support up to 350 pounds, similar to traditional metal racks.